3 under 2. So guys, we've just rocked up here at the Daintree Discovery Centre. So this place has a lot of different things, one of which being a 23-metre tall canopy area where you can go above the rainforest, which is going to be really, really interesting, plus a whole bunch of other things. So we're looking forward to checking it out. So we've just started our walk. This is an 11-metre high aerial walk, and we have these things here. It's got different numbers on it, and you can pick the location and it tells you about that part of the rainforest and trees and animals in this area. So it's really cool. So we're just going to keep walking along and enjoy the ride. So because our kids are under the age of 5, they were free. For Ellen and I, it was $34. So not too, $37. So not too bad considering it's an outing for the whole family. Emily has hijacked my recording device thing, so I can't press the buttons and listen in, but I still have the guide so I can follow along on paper. So we are 23 meters up on the top of this canopy, and you can see the top of the trees.
Yeah, millipedes.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support the channel, click the like button below, and if you want to see even more content, check out our Instagram, which is 3__2.